Hi guys, this is Rick and welcome to the training video series for viral video, and in this video we're going to move to the next step, and that is how to spy on your competitions. Okay, so now what we have to do is we just need to click on the competition channel analysis, and we are presented with this screen where you will find nothing because we have not done anything here. So we just need to add in the keyword here. Say we'll continue with the same keyword, which is weight loss, and we hit search results, and then what we get is we get all the channels that are in the same niche. Okay, so what we are getting is we're getting the channel title, we're getting the channel link, and we're getting more options like advanced search and save this channel. Now if I need to know more about this channel, I just hit on advanced search right here. So when I click on advanced search, I get awesome details about the channels. We get the channel details, we get the channel link, and what is important is we also get the channel count and when it was created. So this channel count is awesome. They are getting good amount of views, and if I scroll down, I get all the videos that are training for this channel, and I get the video. I can watch the video right here. So you don't need to leave this dashboard, guys. You get everything here. You get the title of that video, you get the description, and you get the thumbnail, and you see when it was created. Now what this is gonna do for you, we're gonna talk about that in the strategy session, but we can frame our own channels. If something is working for this person, for this channel owner, we can just use the remix strategy that I'm gonna discuss in the strategy session, and you can create your own viral channels and without thinking about anything. It's all done for you. Okay, so and then if you want just go back, and if you want to save this channel, just hit the save button, and as always this channel is saved in your saved listings and you can watch it for later purpose. Okay, so that is how we deal with your competition analysis. Okay, now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. See you there.